Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I have an interesting flip phone that I'm super excited to show you. Why I'm excited? Because it's a flip phone and this reminds me of my first phone which I had back in the days. Actually it was Kenwood. So yeah, I'll leave it on the screen so you can have a look which phone is that. But this flip phone actually has a lot of features. So let me read you some of the features of this Phone C10. So we have a help button. Also we have two SIM cards. This is interesting. You can put two SIM cards in the same time. Also we have a SMS, FM radio, big buttons. Also we have a long battery. Actually the battery is 10,000 milliamp hour, which is not bad. Actually I'm joking, it's a 1000 milliamp hour battery, which is not bad. Also we have a calendar, MP3 player. Also we have a flashlight, a calculator and alarm clock. So we have quite interesting features. In my opinion, this flip phone actually is not bad. Also we have a big buttons, and interesting about this phone is that the long battery is gonna be interesting. So you can have like a week, probably maybe more, with this phone. Also we have a big buttons and some interesting feature which is I think quite funny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 star.
Yes, and listen for that now.
1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound.
Interesting, funny. Actually we have a camera as well. Also the picture is gonna be pretty interesting, so I'm gonna show you now in the screen. Yep. So yeah, not bad phone. So why you think this phone exists? Well, I believe this phone is good for elderly people. Have big buttons. You can send SMS, phone calls, radio, MP3. I mean, it's old school, but I think it's interesting. Also, this phone is good for people who they want to escape from social media. So let's say you just want a phone just to take phone calls and send SMS messages. That's all. And I think this is an interesting thing in my opinion, because I believe there's a very rare people that they have this type of phones. It's very hard to escape from social media, and it's, I know, especially people who they do work in this field, my opinion. But yeah, let me know what you think about this phone. Interesting flip phone. The company is called Phone. This is not sponsored video. I bought this phone a couple of months ago and I decided to show you in today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Should I put my main SIM card here and use it for a couple of days? Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. Probably I'm gonna put my SIM card here. I'm gonna use it for a couple of days. But yeah, interesting flip phone for you. Yeah, that's good segment to end this video. This is Stefan. I will see you in the next video. If it's your first time here, smash the like button and subscribe.